At Hockey World Cup, visitors are drinking water made from air. Israeli firms atmospheric water generators expected to produce 2 lakh liters of water over 16 days. Technology could be useful in remote and water scarce areas. Can we get drinking water directly from the air at home and in the office? Theoretically, it has always been possible, but now it's being done for the first time on a fairly big scale in India. In the ongoing Men's Hockey World Cup, stadiums in Bhubaneswar and Rourkela have stands where spectators can get a cup of water from air. The technology is not only saving precious groundwater but also cleaning up the air. Enter these stadiums and you will find dispensers on every floor, and even in the media and VIP lounges that provide free water. And each one clearly says, creating water from air. The dispensers are connected to huge steel tanks that collect the water that's produced round the clock from air within the stadium premises. The Israeli company WaterGen, that has set up the water generators, entered India last year but has installed machines in over 90 countries, including the US, Australia, Japan, UAE, and Vietnam. The company is a pioneer in atmospheric water generators (AWG) that turn humidity into fresh drinking water. Last year, WaterGen entered into an agreement with Hockey India to provide water to the thousands of Hockey World Cup spectators at Bhubaneswar's Kaling Statement and Raurkela's Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium. Water is an integral part of any sport, and as millions of people follow sports, we at Hockey India have an opportunity to inspire the world to adopt sustainable practices, said Hockey India President Dilip Tirki, explaining why they appointed WaterGen. We would like to extend our gratitude to Hockey India for taking this visionary step with us. This Hockey World Cup will be the world's first water sustainable World Cup across sports, said Mayan Mulla, CEO WaterGen India. To generate water, ambient air is first purified using two filters that remove pollutants such as fine particulate matter PM 2.5. The purified air then goes to a heat exchanger where its moisture is converted into water. WaterGen representatives at the Bhubaneswar Stadium told TOI the water goes through four filters for purification and mineralization. You then get purified drinking water made freshly from air that's safe from all kinds of impurities, one of them said. The total cost of installing all the electrical water generators at the two stadiums came to rupees 6 crore. If the machines are run on solar or wind energy, it becomes a zero carbon process. This makes it a good option for water stressed rural areas. At the stadiums, the final cost of grid electricity for producing water will depend on the amount of water produced. WaterGen expects awareness about the technology and its practical demonstration will result in its adoption by corporates, civic agencies, village communities, etc. to address drinking water scarcity. Another advantage of the process is that it does not waste water like the popular reverse osmosis RO process. Also, the generators release clean air back into the atmosphere, thereby improving the air quality of the microenvironment where they are installed. WaterGen claims its process eliminates carbon intensive supply chains. Water does not need to be transported, and environmentally harmful plastic waste, no bottles needed. WaterGen has installed devices of different capacities at both the stadiums. These include two Gen L large machines that produce up to 6,000 liters of water daily, each costing 1.5 crore. 3 Gen M Pro medium machines that produce up to 900 liters of water, each costing 70 lakh rupees, and 30 Gen small machines that can produce up to 30 liters daily with a cost of 2.5 lakh each. Together, they are estimated to generate over 2 lakh liters of water during the 16-day World Cup. Asked about the utility of water generators in water starved areas, especially villages, and their installation and operational costs, Mullah said, "We recommend using solar power in rural areas to minimize electricity cost. The land will have to be provided by the government or panchayat. We will train one or two local people to maintain, operate, and troubleshoot minor technical issues for each machine. Their cost will be borne by the government or panchayat. Corporates can use their CSR budgets to provide fresh, clean, and safe drinking water." He said WaterGen is in advanced stages of talks with some leading corporates, both Indian and multinational, hotel chains, and governments for installing water generators. We have installed our AWGs at the campus of a leading e commerce company and also at a leading liquor company, along with Jenny at some medical institutions. Besides WaterGen, a few other companies are present in the atmospheric water generator AWG segment. But low awareness and the initial price barrier are hurdles to their growth. How it works? Step 1. The unit's built in blower draws the air from the atmosphere. Step 2. Once within the unit, an internal air filter removes dust and dirt from the air. Step 3. The air is then directed through the heat exchange and cooling process and condensed into water. Step 4. The water is filtered to remove impurities and minerals are added to give drinking quality water. Step 5. The water is stored in a built-in reservoir where it is continuously circulated to keep it clean.